Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and please leave your comments. I want to first say thank you all for all the support that you've given me on this channel. I really do appreciate it, and I will never forget it. Are we ever going to get any help from our worthless government? Or will they only give us promises and lies, and then sit back while all the American people lose everything they have? And then they'll have the nerve to go enjoy their vacations and their holiday celebrations with their friends and family and their rich donors. Will Trump ever sign a bill? Will Congress ever take out all the money for the other countries? Will the American people get any help at all? These are all questions we all want answers for, but we're not getting it. These lifetime worthless politicians don't care anything at all about the American people. Because even if we vote them out of office, they will still get paid for life. Sometimes I think that they want to get voted out of office. Then they wouldn't even have to pretend that they're working for us. They could just sit back and enjoy life and draw their paycheck. On Monday morning, Nancy Polosi is set to introduce a new stimulus package with only a $2,000 stimulus check in it for the people. This is good, but what we've all been hearing from her is that she will not go for a standalone bill. This is a standalone bill. Don't you remember her saying no standalone bills? Well, if she can get this passed, I'll forgive her for that. But if she can get this $2,000 stimulus check passed, it will be a true miracle. But isn't she also the one that used to always say no to everything that was presented to her? Didn't she cause us to lose a $1,200 stimulus check several times? Maybe she's forgotten her past actions, but I never will. Now, even when she introduces a standalone bill, we know the Senate will not let it happen. There are some members of the Senate who don't want a stimulus check at all, but they are going along with it just so they can get the parts that they want in the bill. So they will not vote on a standalone bill with just a $2,000 check for the people in it, unless they're getting something out of it. It is way past time for the American people to take a stand against our worthless government and demand help. We have tried to be quiet and do everything the proper way, but it's getting us nowhere. It's time we do what has to be done to be heard and to put fear into our worthless government. We need to let them know that we mean business and we are coming. We need to let them know all of our demands. We have lost everything, so what more is it that we can lose by taking this stand? Our government is so good about setting deadlines, but then they don't keep them. Well, we need to let them know we have a deadline also, and we plan on keeping it if we don't get what we need. This is our money, and they are all acting like it's coming out of their pockets when it's not. It's our money, and we need a little bit of it back. Y'all, the Civil War ended May 9th, 1865. So with all that time, maybe they have forgotten just how bad it was. Maybe it's time we remind them. Y'all, Joe Biden is still saying that he's going to send that stimulus package out as soon as he takes office in January. He's saying it will be a real stimulus package for the people. I hope he can. You know, Donald Trump said that he tried. I don't know if he tried or not, but he said he did. And he couldn't do it on kind of, he needed the Senate and the House to approve it also. Now, will the Senate and the House approve it for Joe Biden? I think they will, because Donald Trump made such a big wedge in between himself and the Senate and the House. He created a wedge, and then they refused to work with him. I believe all of this is Donald Trump's fault, that that wedge was placed there. He did it by pointing his finger at them, not taking any of the blame for himself. And he done the same thing with the fake media. Yeah, we got fake media everywhere. But does he have to be so rude and crude about it all the time? He made a wedge there, and it just got worse. Right now, Donald Trump is trying to repair his legacy before he leaves office. I think it's much too late for that. The damage has been done. I don't think there's any reverse in it. He says he may run for office again in 2024. I think it would be a waste of time, money, and everything else. I was once all for Donald Trump. I voted for him. I always wanted him to run before he ran. And then when he ran, I was so happy I voted for him. Now, for the life of me, I don't understand why I did that. I would never do it again. Then the Mooch Man. He says that they will be in office working until everything is done. A lie. He sent everyone home just as soon as they sent that package to President Trump. Until President Trump signs it, it's not done. He sent everybody home for Christmas. So again, the Mooch Man lies. Y'all, I am serious about we need to take a stand. We need to let our government know that we mean business. For too long, we have been too quiet. The squeaky wheel gets the grease. We have been too quiet, too easy, and too timid. We need to stand up and be heard. All of these protesters, they stand up. They do bad things. I hope it don't come to that. But they get heard. Why don't we do that? Why don't we take a stand against our government? We need to let them know that they work for us. We do not work for them. We need all new blood in the White House, in the Senate, and in Congress. They're worthless. They have forgotten their duties. They have forgotten why they get paid. It's time we let them know. Y'all, please let me know in the comments how you feel about this. What do you think we need to do? I want to know. And don't hold back. I would encourage you not to use bad language. But don't hold back. Let me know how you feel. Use my videos as your sounding board. Get it off your chest. Let everybody know how you feel. Y'all please watch the video popping up here now. Keep your faith in Jesus Christ. He will get us through this. I love you all. Ciao.